This is our passive in solar greenhouse, mainly used in cold areas. When the outdoor temperature is -20, the temperature inside the greenhouse can still be kept above 5. With additional heating equipment, the inside temperature can reach more than 10, so that crops can grow in winter. The size of this shed is 9*30 meters. There are walls at both ends and the back. The front end can be matched with the foyer. The top is covered with plastic film, and the outer layer is equipped with thermal insulation quilt. The thermal insulation quilt can be rolled up or put down using the quilt roll machine according to the weather. The film on the sides of the greenhouse with ventilation system to regulate the temperature in the greenhouse. Insect-proof nets are attached to the openings to prevent mosquitoes from entering the greenhouse and damaging crops in summer.